social media, you're not just a customer anymore, you're a friend. So here's what happened to me. I got shorted a burrito at Taco Bell. So I went on Twitter. I said, hey, they shorted me a burrito. They said, here, Brian, go here. We'll give you 2 free burritos. I said, Taco Bell, you're the best. Taco Bell said, no, Brian, you're the best. That's just phase 1, right? Customer service. Next, shared activities, right? So I said, hey, Taco Bell, what are you doing? Oh, nothing, you? Nothing. Hey, you want to go make fun of people at the mall? Yeah. So we did. We went to the mall, we got these great photos together. We had a great time. It was awesome. Okay, so how do you integrate customer service now? It's on multiple channels, right? Like you've got a call center, you've got Facebook, you've got Twitter. It's all just like fragmented. So how do we bring it together? Well, I'll tell you how. And I look for a precedent out there. Is there something we can use to bring this all together? There is. It's turducken. Okay? Turducken is a chicken inside of a duck inside of a turkey. Each is separated by a delicious layer of Cajun stuffing. Okay? So what you guys are going to do, it's called Twifubbicon. It's a Facebook inside of a Twitter inside of a phone. Each separated by a delicious layer of Cajun stuffing. Right? Problem solved. Thank you very much.